Assalamualaikum and hi. Today I will explain about scam awareness and how we can stay safe online and offline. So, what is a scam? A scam is basically a trick used by criminals to steal your money or your personal information. They use many methods to make you trust them. And once you fall for it, you can lose a lot. What is common scam types? Some common scam include fake calls that pretending to be from the bank or government, and then they can make a fake message with suspicious link or fake investment or loan offers, and even fake apps or websites that looks like real. So, how scammers contact you? Scammers usually reach out through phone calls, SMS, WhatsApp, social media, or fake websites. They target anyone they can trick, so we must stay alert. So, this is red flags to watch out for. First one, be careful if someone says urgent or act now, or if they ask for your OTP or PIN or password, and if the offer sounds too good to be true, it probably is. And never trust unknown people asking for money. So, how to protect yourself? The best practice are very simple. Never share your OTP, PIN, or password with anyone. Don't click on unknown links. Only download apps from official app store, and always verify with the bank or the real authority before believing anything. So, what to do if you suspect a scam? First is, if you feel something feels suspicious, stop immediately. Don't respond and don't transfer any money. And if you already got scammed, the first thing to do is you call NSRC 997 or your bank's hotline immediately. Then collect the evidence such as screenshot, chat history, or payment slip, and make a police report. So the conclusion is stay alert, always verify any information you receive, never share your banking details with anyone. Scammers are everywhere, but with awareness and quick action, we can protect ourselves and our loved ones. Stay safe and think before you click. That's all from me. Thank you.